Good everyone, you're watching Rate to Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you get an error message which states that not enough printer memory available to print a page when you try to print a document from Excel, Word, OneNote, or maybe in Outlook. Now, the first step, what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to go ahead and update the print memory setting. Now, to update the print memory setting, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Once you're on the settings page, you may go ahead and click on Bluetooth and devices. On the right hand side, look for printer and scanner. Under this section, check for the default printer which you are using. In your case, it could be a different. You could have an HP printer, or you could have a Canon. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to use a OneNote default printer. So let's assume this is one of my default printer, OneNote desktop. Click on it and then click on printer properties. Now under printer properties, once you have the printer properties, click on device settings. Under the section which says device settings, look for print memory and try to go ahead and make sure the print memory is at the highest, the 32 MB. So in case if the print memory is higher than 32 MB, make sure it is you choose the highest one. Click on apply and then click on OK, and then try to print the document. See if it works. In case if it works, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. Now, as the next step, what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to check the print spooler settings and make sure the print spooler has been set to automatic. Now, to do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and click on run. In the run window, go ahead and type services.msc and click on OK. This will open the services window. Under this section, go ahead and look for print spooler. Do a right click on the print spooler. It would be in alphabetical order. Do a right click and click on properties. Make sure the startup type is been set to automatic. In case if it is not set, it is set to manual. Make sure it has been set to automatic. Click on apply. Try to stop the print spooler service and try to restart again. And then click on OK. Close this window. Try to close Word or Excel application wherever you're trying to print the document from. Relaunch the application or the document and try to check if you're able to print. If you're able to print, well and good, you don't have to try the next step. The next step, what I would suggest you to do is I would suggest you to go ahead and update your printer driver. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on device manager. So once you're on the device manager, you will have to go ahead and click on the print queues and choose the printer which you are using on your computer. In case if you have HP, you will see the HP printer driver listed under this section. So you will have to do a right click and then click on update print driver. You will see an option, update the drivers automatically or browse my computer for drivers. Choose the option which says search automatically for drivers. Once you have this window, check the click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. So what this will do is it will try to go ahead and check for the printer drivers, the latest drivers through the Windows Update. Click on check for the updates. In case if there are any updates available for you or for your computer or for your printer driver, install those updates and restart the computer. Once you restart the computer, try to print the document and see if it works. If it works, well and good. You don't have to try the next step. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, as a last step, I would suggest you to uninstall the printer and reinstall it. So to do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you may go ahead and click on Bluetooth and devices and then click on printer and scanner. Under this section, you will have to choose the printer. In case if it is an HP printer, click on HP printer and click on remove. So what this will do is this will go ahead and remove the existing printer from your computer. Once it is done, restart your computer and try to connect your printer and install the drivers And once you install the drivers and the printer is connected to the computer, try to print the document which you are trying to print, and that should fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.